In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail. Gmail is a free email service that, to me, I think is way better than using Yahoo. Gmail has more spam protection features like report spam. And according to Yahoo, you can't do that. However, if you have an email address at gmail.com, or you can go to google.com and click on Gmail, and you can set your own. Ours is learning the PC at gmail.com. And now I'm going to show you how to compose an email. You see where it says compose? Click there. In the to box, you would need to have an address. So I'm going to use my personal one. Now, it's really important to have a subject. And usually, in order to start a subject, you need to start it with re. R-E. And then a colon. Now you want to do hi or whatever the subject is. So let's go ahead and talk about this box. This box is your message box. So now let's say I wanted to bold a word. So I select the word and hit bold. There we go. And now what if I wanted to send a link to a friend? All I would have to do is type in the link, make sure it's right. And then I just made one up. Select this. You see this blue button here? This is your link. Click that. It automatically makes a link for you. And you hit enter. Now you see these little smiley icons? You can click on that and make whatever you feel like this or whatever. Pretty simple way. And then when you get done with it, you can hit send. Now if you want to save for later and then re-edit it and then send it, you can hit save now and it saves as a draft, which would be right here. The good thing about Gmail is that not only Gmail is just an email service, but you can also chat with your members in your list and friends in your list and so on. Since this is a new email account I created just for this tutorial, I don't have anybody to chat with, but this is where you can search for their names and then chat. Now, down here where it says 6 more is more for stuff like chat, see? All mail, spam. Usually spam, if you have spam, you can delete it by clicking spam and and you go to spam. And you see right here where it says, this box here where it says, hooray, no spam here. Usually, if you do have spam, you just check the boxes that's going to be right here. And you see where it says delete for forever, click that. Boom. So let's go here and see where trash is. If you accidentally delete something, you can always use the search box here. And in this search box, you would be able to find your trash, the stuff that you deleted by accident. So I'm going to show you for example. So I'm going to delete all these welcome notes from Gmail just to show you. Alright, now I'm going to go to where it says 6 more, and I'm going to go to trash, and I'm going to say Gmail. And now it found it in the trash box for you. This is your trash box area. And since it's already trash, so now if I want to delete it forever, I just hit delete. There we go. And it's deleted. Now you can also archive it or report spam or whatever. But since it's from Gmail, it's not spam. So it's all good. Now let's talk about contacts right here. Now this would show your contacts, but you can also add a contact. And you would put the person's name and number and stuff that you want their information to show up on your account. And that's how you do it. So, and you can add groups here as well. And you can also search for contacts. But the good thing about adding or sending an email is that Gmail automatically saves that person's email address for you. So let's go ahead and go to the draft where I had it. I'm going to click this box here and I'm just going to send it so I can show you. There we go. Let's go ahead and compose another email. See, all you have to do is just hit the letter that the person belongs, like starts with, like for example, S for Shane or S for Sam. And all you have to do is just pick the one that shows up. So since I hit S, there we go. It does it for all the emails you send out to, and it saves it as a contact. So there we go. Now, let's go ahead and say you wanted to disregard this. Just go ahead and disregard and do whatever you want. You can also undisregard it as well. So, this is a basic tutorial for Gmail, and you can go to gmail.com to set one up for free. It's totally free, and it's way better than Yahoo to me. So, thank you very much for checking out the first tutorial for Gmail.